and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christina and it's been a few weeks since I posted my last video, but I'm excited to bring to you today a home decor haul. And I've mentioned in previous videos that I was wanting, well, for the last year, I've been talking about ordering shelves that bookend either side of my fireplace. And I made the purchase probably around Christmas time, and they are here, they've arrived, and I'm in the process of styling them, and I've been collecting pieces for about a year to several months for these shelves. And I placed an order on H&M and at Target just to kind of fill in where I want there to be these pieces. And inadvertently, everything I purchased is white or off-white or a shade of white and a little bit of black, which, as you can see behind me, it's kind of my favorite color scheme is white, black, and a few neutrals in between. So with that, let's get right into the haul. So here's the first piece. This is from H&M. It's a higher gloss vase. Just simple and pretty. They have this styled really pretty on the website. They put in huge branches. So I love vases that sit empty on a shelf, but I also love to add floral arrangements to them. Typically real flowers or branches from my backyard. And I love to get flowers from Trader Joe's. That's my best place to get real cut flowers. So just a really simple neutral colored pot. They had this in a few different sizes. This was the bigger size. And I think it's gonna look really good on the shelves. And it matches my background, matches my blazer. So actually, and this blazer is also from H&M. I'll link it below. I got it in the blue color, which you'll see in my last try-on haul from H&M, and this is it in the creamy off-white. So pretty. I just love this blazer. But here's the first piece from H&M. All right, the next piece is this vase, and I'll get it up close. It's matte, and it has a lot of different textures on it, and really fun piece. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but this actually will be perfect for my shelves. I do love oversized pieces, oversized vases, but for these shelves, oversized pieces wouldn't really fit. So this is perfect. I love the asymmetry of it. I typically love symmetry, but every now and again, I like to throw in some asymmetry. And my shelves are identical on either side of a fireplace. So I like the idea of throwing in asymmetric pieces on the otherwise symmetrical shelves. I love that play with symmetry and asymmetry. So really fun piece. Again, probably empty, but you also could add fun little leaves or branches to it. So a really versatile piece. All right, the next piece from H&M is this sort of shape. I thought this looked very high end, and we're going with a taupe and black, so changing up the white a little bit. But again, I love the asymmetry of this. This will look great on the shelves. And I like that it's very simple and minimal, but enough interest to grab your eye. So definitely check out H&M for different home decor pieces. They had some really interesting, pretty things on there. So love this piece. Ooh. Okay, and at Target, I just got two things, and they're two identical things. So they're kind of just figurine sculptures. I like that they kind of look like wide hips or something, but you can kind of turn them and they look a little bit different. So I thought these were really fun. And I was thinking I'd put these on the shelves, either on the separate shelves, because I do want some symmetry. So I want there to be symmetry throughout the shelving, and then I'll throw in the asymmetrical pieces. So that's sort of my vision. I haven't styled them yet, so I will definitely add some pictures in here for the different type of styling that I've gone for. Everything is neutral. There might be some marble on there, but black, white, off-white. I'm pretty predictable with what I'll do. And as you know, if you watch any of my videos, I always buy things in pairs because that way you can get the symmetry. So these were $25 a piece. The things from H&M range from I think around 15 to 30, and they always are running 20% off sales. So definitely wait to get one of those sales with H&M, and you can score some really cool pieces. All right, that's it for the stuff for the shelves, and I will show you one other purchase I made from CB2. It is this oversized, really minimal mirror, and it's hard to show show mirrors on video. I'll try to show some snap pictures that I took and from the website, because everything, it just reflects my like messy bed in the background. But I love oversized big mirrors, and this one is for my bedroom, just so I can like see my whole outfit and add some extra light and dimension in the room. I have a lot of blank walls in my house, so I love adding mirrors to that just to brighten up the space without being too busy. I mean, I love artwork as well, but a mirror is always a safe choice. And this mirror I love because it's very minimal and the frame is really thin, and they call it like the infinity mirror. It comes in, they're all 76 inches high, but they have a wide version and a more narrow version. I chose the wider version. And it comes in various different hardware colors. I got the matte black, but it also came in brass, silver, and then white, I think, and then like a wood tone, maybe even 2 wood tones. I will definitely leave a link to the mirror down below. It's an excellent, excellent mirror. I think it would work for any home decor style because it's basically just minimal. It's basically a mirror with a tiny little frame. So I hope you liked this haul. It was mini and short and sweet, and I hope you were able to get some inspiration. I will have links for everything down below. Let me know if you pick up any of these pieces. I'd love to hear and see how you style them. Again, do you love asymmetry or do you like more symmetrical? I love both. I love both here. Thank you for watching, and thank you to all of my loyal subscribers who watch every video and you always comment. I appreciate you so much. And to any new viewers, thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing and check out all my other videos. I have several playlists with other home decor videos, some fashion, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.